Hello, just wanted to share a new tool with you that I'm excited about to start using. I'm going to read the description so I don't forget this complicated title. This is not a sponsored video. I bought this with my own money. This is a Capri Tools 3/8" drive 90 tooth locking flex head ratchet with an extra long handle. Why would I want something like that? So almost everything that we do under our vehicles, so removing the oil drain bolt, removing the rear differential fill bolt and drain bolt, removing the transmission drain bolt, removing the transfer case drain bolt and fill bolt, all these bolts I use a 3/8" ratchet, and they're torqued down. And so I have, a 3/8" extendable ratchet, which helps, but the handle's not long enough to get a lot of torque if something is stubborn. Also, some of these bolts, instead of taking a socket, they just actually use the 3/8" square end of a ratchet, and that is the bolt that you're putting this in. And so if you have, like, say, a regular breaker bar, first of all, look how short this 3/8" breaker bar is compared to this. So I'm going to get a lot more torque out of this, but this only pivots this way, so I gotta make this fit and wherever that bolt head is, and hope that the handle ends up in a position where when I'm under the car, I might be upside down, that I can grab this handle and still get enough torque on it to bust it loose, which isn't always the case. So what this thing does is it solves all these problems. I love this thing. So it works like a regular ratchet where you can change your clockwise, counterclockwise right there. So right now, let's say I've got it where I want it to loosen, okay? And I get it on there, but let's say the handle's gonna hit the ground in the position that bolt is, and I'm like, well, I really would like this to go on that bolt, but I'd like my handle to be over here. Well, I can use the ratcheting part to rotate that where I can get this on wherever I want it, and then I can set my handle and say, okay, that's where I want it, so now I'm going to lock it in. The other cool thing about this is sometimes you don't have enough clearance up against your bolt head, and so you can use this flex part. So right now it's locked. It's got this button on the back where I can hold the button in and I can flex the handle back and then let the button go, and it's going to lock in that position and allow me to put this at an angle that I want. So I plan on using this in the future. Some of you might have watched a recent video I did on my daughter's Mazda CX-5, or no, my Ridgeline 60,000 mile service. That's the one it was, where I tried using the Milwaukee stubby impact gun to loosen these torque down bolts. And the problem is, this is just so powerful, you can't really control it. You hit the trigger and it busts it free, and it's great for that. It's just that you can't just break it free a little bit. And so that's what prompted me to go on a search for the ultimate tool, and I think I found it. So in the future, I plan on using this to untorque all those kind of bolts. So anyway, just wanted to share this with you. I'm going to put links in the video description, and this is something that I believe will get a lot of use in future videos. Thank you for watching.